Hello everyone, my name is Akmar. Today is 29 December. I thought about I have to start to upload a video on YouTube. So I will give you some information for that channels. So I will upload video in these channels, daily conversations and how to do practice on the English speaking and some grammar, some words there. The 1st January 2026 I will start to uploading video on YouTube. That channel is named already, now everybody is in the English icon in these channels. My Facebook ID also name is English icons, and one of the Instagram ID the English icon, but regularly uploading the English conversation on Facebook. That name is Sagmar. I will put the link in description. If you want to watch there, you go and click and go to my page, Facebook page. Okay. So I will first of all I come for the hair for the share that I will starting the uploading video on Facebook. Bye bye. You will meet the 31 December at night. I upload the 1st January one videos on on YouTube. Bye bye. You will the next video.